about my family. Grandfather. This is my grandfather. Grandmother. This is my grandmother. Father. This is my father. Mother. This is my mother. Brother. This is my brother. Sister. This is my sister. Baby. This is me. Uncle. This is my uncle. Aunt. This is my aunt. Cousins. These are my cousins. Grandfather. Grandmother. Father. Mother. Uncle. Aunt. Brother. Sister. Cousins. Baby. This is my family.
If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.